la la la. Sleep. After this, la 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 la. Ding dong. Hey baby, wake up! You have a school.
No.
You wake up already.
It's Monday. My teachers.
But if it's Monday, it's about school.
Oh no, it's Wednesday.
Hey, look at this. It's 12 already. You're late.
Going to school.
Uy. Yung kalat nyo before you sleep, you should... What?
How about my go off?
I'm the teacher in here. Hey you.
Work.
How about the other one?
Wait. This funny one. Teacher Bunny.
Wow.
Like it?
Wow.
You like it too?
Yeah. Wow.
You like it too?
Yeah.
Wow.
He was like,
Ow.
sorry about that. We will sleep. Babush. Part 3, please. I'm just joking. Clean up. Sometimes you're too fast.
I'm done cleaning.
This is for you. A flower and then this one. A flower.
Someone say pretty.
Pretty. Okay, part 3, guys. I'm so sorry. Sorry.
Wait.
Sorry.
Wait for part 3.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
See you on
Later.
Monday. No.
This look like in my school.